Alright, we got a 2019 Ford Ranger. It's got the 4-cylinder turbo, four-wheel drive. Catalytic converter is up in there. And come back. Long piece of pipe, factory muffler, and a good sized resonator to a single tailpipe. Question is, what are we going to do? Let us know in the comments what you think we ought to do. And don't forget, like and subscribe. Got 2.3 4-cylinder with turbo. Barely see it. But this is the 2019 Ranger. Not a bad looking truck. A lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. And you hear nothing. Yeah.
Hey, come around here. You don't hear any rumbling at all.
That's the Ranger. Crew cab, 4-cylinder, 4-wheel drive. Never thought I'd really see the day. Really nice interior, big screens.
And it's got the biggest wheels. Yeah. It's something. Yeah, you can have something.
Let us know what we should do.
And that's how it's done.